In this video, I'm going to talk about 9 workwear companies that make jackets here in the USA. I'm going to rank these jackets by price, starting with the most affordable. The first jacket is the J140 jacket made by Carhart. Carhartt is obviously a popular workwear company, but they currently import the large majority of their workwear. Over the years, they have produced a few jackets here in the US, and that has slowly dwindled down to just this single jacket, the Carhartt J140. This jacket has a loose fit design. It uses the firm duck outer shell fabric, which will feel a little stiff off the rack. It's flannel lined, which makes it suitable for most winter conditions. Comes with a built-in hood and a cuffed waist. Although this jacket's made in the USA, it does use globally sourced components, which means it's in a cheaper price range. This jacket's usually offered in the 110 to 125 range. Number 2 are the jackets made by Roundhouse. Roundhouse rose to popularity in the 90s based on their American-made overalls, but they also make a wide range of work jackets. These are canvas jackets made with 12-ounce heavyweight canvas. They come in both hooded and non-hooded versions. They are lined for warmth. This company is based in Oklahoma where the jackets are built. The cotton is sourced from the United States, but I couldn't find specifics about the actual hardware like the zippers and the buttons. These jackets fall in a cheaper price range, usually in the 120 to 150 range. Number 3 are the jackets made by Devium. Devium is a brand that specializes in making USA made clothing. They make both work jackets and casual jackets. The jackets most appropriate for workwear are their canvas and their denim jackets, but they do also offer corduroy jackets and heavyweight flannel jackets. Probably the most work appropriate jackets are the Sherpa lined canvas jacket or the Sherpa lined wax canvas vest. These jackets usually fall in a $150 to $300 price range, and they are 100% made in the USA, including the components. I'm going to throw up on the screen here something I really like about Devium is on their product pages, they'll actually list out the materials and where they're sourced from, as you can see here on the screen for the work vest. You can see where the materials are exactly sourced from, and that's a cool detail that I don't see other companies doing. Number 4 are the jackets made by Telis Stock. Telis Stock offers a wide range of outerwear using materials such as denim, suede, and wool. Their most popular type of jacket is the coverall jacket. As you can see, I threw one up on the screen here that's used making it with a chambray cotton material. These jackets have pockets much like a chore coat. They're offered in both men's and women's versions. They are made in California using USA parts. They come only in unlined versions, so you want to take that into consideration whether you want to layer underneath them or use them in more mild temperatures. And they're offered in the $160 to $250 range. Number 5 are the jackets made by LC King. LC King is one of my favorite American-based workwear companies. They specialize in making both barn and chore coats. These jackets are usually built either with denim or with heavyweight cotton duck canvas. Their cotton duck canvas is sourced from Mount Vernon Mills, which is located in Georgia. The jackets themselves are built in Bristol, Tennessee. They have both men's and women's versions, and these jackets usually fall in a $165 to $250 price range. Number 6 are the jackets made by Railcar Fine Goods. Railcar Fine Goods is a relatively new workwear brand based out of El Monte, California. They specialize in both casual and workwear. They offer both men's and women's jackets. They're very popular for their heavyweight chore coats. They do offer types of wax canvas jackets, and these jackets are handmade in-house at the Railcar factory in El Monte, California, and they do use USA sourced parts. Because they're handmade and use USA sourced parts, they fall in a little bit of more expensive price range, usually in the $220 to $350 plus price range. Number 7 are the jackets made by Flint and Tinder. Flint Tinder is a brand owned by Huckberry and sold via huckberry.com. They offer both men's and women's jackets. They're popular for their waxed sailcloth trucker jackets. These jackets are cut, sewn, and finished in Los Angeles. and that sailcloth material is manufactured in New Jersey. These jackets fall in a more expensive price range, usually offered in the $300 to $360 price range. Number 8 are the jackets made by Siano Farmer Denim Company. Siano Farmer Denim Company is one of the most unique workwear brands on the market today. They make handmade workwear on vintage machinery in Texas using only USA sourced materials. Their jackets that they specialize in are trucker jackets, field hand jackets, chore coats, and car coats. These jackets are customizable. As you can see on the screen here, when you pull up a jacket you like, you have the ability to go through and choose what kind of fit you want, what kind of thread color you want, what kind of fabric color you want. You can add a liner, and you can do other kind of customizable options that you can't do with other workwear companies. Because these jackets are handmade on vintage machinery and are customizable using USA sourced materials, they fall in a more expensive price range, usually in the $350 to $500 plus price range. Number 9 are the wool jackets made by Filson. The cruiser jacket is probably the most popular type of jacket that Filson offers. It finishes below the waist and has pockets much like a chore coat. However, Filson does offer work-specific jackets that finish above the waist that make it easier to sit down and operate machinery and pair easier with a tool belt. It's important to understand that these jackets will use globally sourced components to finish the jacket. Some of the wool is sourced from the United States, specifically from Oregon's Pendleton Woolen Mills, but some types of the wool used in these jackets is imported. Filson offers both Mackinac and Seattle wool. Mackinac is a heavyweight wool, Seattle is a midweight wool. These jackets are considered to be premium jackets and are priced in the $400 plus price range. So to recap, if you're looking for a work jacket made in the USA that's priced under $250, your best bet are to search at Carhart, Roundhouse, LC King, Railcar Fine Goods, and Telis Stock. If you're willing to spend over $250, you might consider Siano Farmer Denim Company, Filson, and Flint Tinder. If you like USA made workwear, I recently did a video on the best USA made mock toe boots. In this video, I discussed the best options available and also discussed my favorite boot, which I cut in half and examined. So I've linked this video above if you want to learn more.